Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can scroll click on any mouse using one singular application called X mouse button control. For first of all, what is scroll clicking? Scroll clicking is when you turn every individual scroll of your scroll wheel into individual mouse click, whether it be left click, right click, middle click, and so on. So essentially, what that means is that you can click extremely fast over like small seconds or something. Like it's almost like drag clicking, but what made more overpowered. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So what you want to do is want to download a program called Xmouse Button Control. I already have it installed, and I can't just reinstall it. So I'm going to assume that you know how to install it. So I'm going to leave a link to it where you can like install it. So I'm just going to my search, and I'm going to type X mouse button control. Yeah, that you can see right there. It's taking a while for it to load. I'm just gonna, and you have to wait for the application to load up. The interface should look something like this. It doesn't look like this. You probably got scammed or something. And don't worry, this isn't a virus or anything, because I've tested it and this doesn't do anything bad to your computer. So what this does is actually like intercepts with the input that's sent to the computer when you do something with your mouse. It actually switches up the input. So to activate scroll clicking, you can do like a bunch of stuff with this. Like you can change left click to do many things, but I'm just teaching you how to scroll click. So what you want to do is you want to go to wheel up, then you want to go to either left click, right click, middle click, button 4, button 5, or anything you want to do. I'm gonna pick right click because I mostly play Minecraft, and I'm gonna use that to play Minecraft. And I'm also gonna do right click, and yeah, right click right there. So what you do want to do is press apply, and yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna test this out in Minecraft. I'm gonna see you guys soon. um okay guys, as you guys can clearly see, let me full screen, that I'm clicking very fast. Like I don't normally click like this. This is like very fast. Hang on, let me try and garbage with this. And this is very good for garbaging in case your mouse can't drag click or something. This is very good for garbaging. You only have to do is like master the timing. It's almost like drag clicking. Like I'm clicking very fast. Look, I'm jitter clicking, but I'm not really jitter clicking. It clicks very fast. Like look at it. Like just look at it. Oh my god, just so cool. Okay, so that's about it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like on it and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Wait, I didn't do the intro right. Okay. I meant to say what I meant to say that if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like on it and subscribe and turn on post notifications and show support to the channel by subscribing, please, because I'm on the road to 30 subscribers, and growing on YouTube is really hard lately because I don't know, it's just getting very stressful for me. I don't know why my videos don't get much views because I work really hard on them. I try to use those SEO stuff and they don't seem to work. So yeah, so if you really appreciate my work and showing you that how to scroll click or how to like any of my videos, just subscribe and like the video so my videos can get more views. And yeah, bye.